Alright guys, let's practice a couple more problems. Alright, we are finding slope once we have those 2 points. The first point is 3, 0. The other one is -11, -15. I'm going to label them. So remember, the first digit in each parenthesis is x. The second digit in each parenthesis is y. Now I have to decide which one I want 1, which one I want 2. It doesn't matter, but let's just do it in order. This one is my first point. This is my second point. Okay. I'm going to do, actually I would like you to do first this problem by yourself, and I will come back and solve it for you. So go ahead. Alright, welcome back. So here it is how I would do it. I would write my division sign. Okay. Then I will show my negatives here. Okay, remember they come from the formula. Now I'm going to fill it in. So changing y's. Does not matter with which one y I start. I can start with 0.1 or 0.2, but once I start with 0.1, I have to continue 4 x's with the same point. So I'll circle this one so I remember always starting with this one. So let's do it. 0 minus 15, because -15 was my other y. Okay, now I'm doing x's once again. I'm going to start with this one. So that's 3 minus, in parentheses, I have to put -11. Okay, now careful with integers. Negative and negative will make it positive, so that is 15. And on the bottom, 3 plus 11 is 14. So 15 14ths. Okay, number 8, go ahead and do it. Alright, welcome back. So once again, this time I'm going to label it x, y. As you can see, I'm doing a little bit faster. Hopefully you're a little bit faster at it too, and it's a little bit simpler this time to you. Okay, I'm going to do a not number line, but I'm going to do division line, minuses from the formula, and now we'll fill it in. Let's start again with my first point. Okay, changing y, so I'm going to start with this one. This one is -2. This one is 10. Now x's, 19. And this one is -11. Okay, watch out for integers. Same sign, add and keep, -12. Okay, this negative times negative is positive. So that's really 19 plus 11, which is 30. I can reduce that a little bit. So that by 2, -6 over 15. I can reduce it by 3, -2/5. Alright? So my slope is -2/5. Alright, there's something I want to show you something. Let me turn the page so it will be a little bit blurry for a second. Alright. I want to look at this. These are 2 specific cases when the line is horizontal and the line is vertical, and I have to find the slope. If I look at the graph, the line does not look slanted, right? But let's look at our formula and see how it looks from the formula. Okay, so here it is. Once again, I'm going to rewrite those points so you guys can see. Let's see if that works. Alright. My x, my y, my x, my y, my first point, my second point. I'm going to start with this one. Okay, so changing y's to, I'm gonna put those negatives still for you. Okay, -2. Then x is -2 minus 3. Sorry, I had to think for a second. All right, I'm going to move it up for a second. 2 minus 2 is 0. And negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. So what's 0 divided by negative 5? Don't be afraid of those kind of fractions. It is 0. Okay? 0 divided by any number is 0. Now let's look here. Okay? This is not 0. This one looks like a wall. So what would be slope for the vertical line? Okay? Let's double check. My points are negative 5, 1 and negative 5, 2. Okay? I will label it again. X, Y, X, Y. Label it again. I'm going to start with this one. All right. Change of y's. 1 minus 2. Now x's. Negative 5 minus 5. On top, I have negative 1. Now on the bottom, that's really negative 5 plus 5, which we know it's 0. Okay, so look what I'm doing. I'm dividing by 0. That's something, if you remember from other math classes, that's something we called undefined. We cannot divide by 0. It's undefined. So here it is my conclusion. Any horizontal line will have a slope equals 0. Any vertical line will have a slope called undefined. Please write it in your notes because that's important information, and we'll talk about it on Monday. Hope you have a wonderful weekend and see you guys on Monday. Good luck on the Veterans Day. Bye!